Did you know that one simple box can change an entire classroom? Meet Stella, a kind girl who noticed something that made her heart hurt. Some of her friends were skipping lunch or eating tiny meals, while others shared their food until they were still hungry too. Stella wanted to help, but she didn't want to embarrass anyone, so she came up with a magical idea called the Sandwich Bridge. Every morning, Stella and her grandmother made extra sandwiches. Then Stella decorated a beautiful box with the words, "Take what helps, share what you can." She placed it in her classroom where anyone could secretly leave extra food or take what they needed. No questions asked, no explanations needed. Soon, other kids started adding snacks and fruit too. The most amazing part happened when Stella's grandmother got sick. Suddenly, Stella's family needed help. When she opened the sharing box, it was full of food her classmates had left for her. Stella learned that when we share with open hearts, kindness always comes back to us.